Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Welcome to Outside the Kusina. Do you like lobsters? I certainly do. So stick around, for in this video, I'm going to show you the fresh and delicious lobster we had at the Maine Lobster Festival. Rockland, Maine is about 4 hours drive from Boston. And this is where they hold the Maine Lobster Festival starting on the first weekend of August. If you're interested in more information about this lobster festival, please check the description down below for their website. All lobsters are freshly cooked. You can get a single, double, or triple lobster dinner. Here is my single lobster dinner with corn, coleslaw, melted butter, and I got an extra dessert, blueberry crumble. This meal cost $34, $29 for the lobster, and $5 for dessert. Now let's open the pack that comes with it. I'm putting on my bib just to keep my clothes clean, and also in the pack is a tiny fork. And of course, we shouldn't forget to say grace. Now it's time to dig in. Let me take out one claw. That tastes good. There's the second claw. And stretching out the tail just to see how long it is. Ooh, look at that. Trying to get the head off. Ooh. Oh, I forgot my gloves. Just putting on the gloves. And now let's go back. Let me eat the corn first. It's really sweet. There's a tent where we all sat down and ate our lunches. Here's the melted butter. Now I'm trying to get the lobster tail meat. Look at that. So yummy. Dip it in the butter. And so good. Look how big the head was. Now let's try eating this claw. Beep beep. Pull it. I don't know if I'm eating like the locals, but I'm certainly enjoying. This little fork comes in handy. Let me pull out the meat. There it is. Dip it in the butter. Take a big bite. Oops. And it just tastes so fresh. Yummy. The lobster was really fresh, so it was easy to get at the meat. There were a lot of nooks and crannies, but I just used the little fork. And now let's start on the second claw. There you go. I just scooped out the meat and now just breaking apart this leg. Tell me how you eat your lobster. Are you like me and you take the meat and pop it in your mouth, or you peel everything and eat it all at once? Well, now I'm all done. Time to eat dessert. The blueberries really taste fresh as well, but I think the crumble on top of it is a bit too sweet for me. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe. And for added entertainment, we got to see King Neptune and his crew. They came by to say hello and sing to all of us. Thank you for watching.